Hey guys, Joyce-Anne Anthony aka JJ, day 15. I'm opening up a file that I worked on previously. Today we're going to go over the difference between Tint and Vertex paint. And to do that, I'm going to duplicate the guide right here. First, we're going to go over the Tint tool. The Tint tool allows you to paint onto stroke points, making the material base color with a selected color, and the Tint tool can be found on the left side when you're in draw mode. At the top, you have three different modes. You have stroke and fill, fill only, and then stroke only. Yesterday, we went over masks. With the Tint tool, you don't have to make a mask. It will color inside your, right now I have it on stroke and fill. It will stay inside my drawing. I don't have to worry about coloring outside the lines. As I'm drawing, I realize that I should have made a separate inking layer and like base color layer, because right now when I'm in the tint mode, it's regardless if I switch it to stroke and fill, fill, my inking lines are disappearing. So I'm going to have to redraw the inking lines. Off camera, I drew the inking layer. Okay, just finished with the Tint tool. Now we're going to go to Vertex paint mode. Already I can see in Vertex paint mode I have more options. Vertex paint is a simple way of painting color onto a grease pencil object by directly manipulating the color of the points / vertices rather than only use the material's base color. Vertex paint mode has its own set of drawing tools. The next one is blur. Blur smooths out the colors of the adjacent vertices. In this mode, the color value is ignored. The strength defines how much the colors are blurred. Up next is average. Average smooths color by painting the average resulting color from all colors under the brush. Smear smudges colors by grabbing the colors under the brush and dragging them. This can be imagined as a finger painting tool. Okay, got it. I'm going to click Command Z to undo that. Replace. Change the color only to the stroke points that already have a color applied. Okay, I'm just clicking Command Z again to undo that. Today we went over the Tint tool and Vertex paint mode. So challenge number 15 is just on your own experiment with the tool and the paint mode. My goal for today's video is that you feel more comfortable with the Tint tool and Vertex paint and seeing the unique differences. This is Joyce-Anne Anthony aka JJ. Until next time.